Alright, it's Alicia Stringer here, always empowering success dreams, and today we're on step 4, 12 sources of sensational selling success instead of how to master the art of selling by Tom Hopkins. This one is a powerful one. I study this one all the time in closing, and there are some powerful tools inside of Empower Network of helping you with closing, especially in the inner circle audios. I highly recommend click the link below and get access to those to help you very confidently go through this skill as well. So step 4 says to top people close warmly. Do you know what that means? You may find that confusing, especially if you have any tendency to regard the profession of selling and essentially being the business of separating people from their money. Let's talk about this idea, because it's out there and there's some reality of millions of people. It arises to the actions of the minority of salespeople who believe that selling is purely and simply aggression. Alright, so it goes through more of this, and this one's a pretty long one, and it shares with you, the myths of selling. We've all heard people say, I used to sell, but I wasn't pushy enough. Or, people have that saying that I just wasn't strong enough to make it through some of those no's. Okay, so champions don't have this problem because they never close people they know shouldn't be closed. Just like you can't sell meat to a vegetarian. They are just not, you're not going to close them. So when you truly understand this, you have a sincere to just help clients. They have better lives, they have more fun, they save money, whatever the benefit of their product and service is going to provide. Their techniques are in a such so they're going to lead people smoothly to that decision that will benefit them with all genuine concern for warmth. So take massive action, my friends, and get inside training so you truly can understand how to really target your market who needs your product services. Not that you're always having to sell because you're in front of the wrong crowd. You get in front of the right crowd and know exactly how to do that. So get inside the training I provide below and take massive action, my friends.